How to trim and cut videos in the Vita app. First of all, open the app on your device and load your project by creating a new one or opening an existing project. Once your video appears on the timeline, tap on the clip you want to edit so the editing tools become visible. To cut the video, move the playhead to the exact point where you want to make the cut. Tap on split and the clip will be divided into two parts. You can repeat this step to split the video into multiple sections as needed. If you want to trim the beginning part of the clip, place the playhead at the point where you want the video to start and tap from now. This will trim everything before the playhead. To trim the ending part, move the playhead to where you want the video to end and tap until now, which removes everything after the playhead. Preview the clip to make sure the cuts look smooth and trim any extra sections you don't need. Now you know how to trim and cut videos in the Vita app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.